I was just sent two canvases of family photos and I love these. Let me show you the details up close and then I'll show you where I hung them up. Okay, so it wraps all the way around. The material is a really nice material and the colors are exactly the same as the photo that I sent them. So there's no differences, which I really appreciate because you want it to turn out just like your photo, but more larger in size. So I love this canvas. I feel like it's really high quality and it came fast. And then this one too, oh my gosh, I was so thrilled with it. It's going up in my daughter's bedroom. Again, look at the sides, how it wraps. And then in the back, you can see it's just like really lightweight, but awesome. And the colors are perfect. So let me show you where I put them. The family portrait is now in our master bedroom and I love it. And the photo of my girls is in their bedroom and looks awesome.